Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on EOS coin. On 24th of April, I shared a video with you when I told you that EOS is completing, even EOS has completed the final leg of the bullish cipher move and it has entered in the buying zone. And this was the video. And before that, I shared a chart with the complete buying and sell targets at the Patreon that the EOS has completed the bullish reversal harmonic cipher move. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas here at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and definitely you will find it very, very beneficial for your trading. Now, let me show you this chart. And you can see at that time the price line just completed this final leg of the bullish cipher move. We had an extreme market drop with the Bitcoin. The price line of EOS also completed this cipher move, and at the same time the Bitcoin also completed a bullish reversal harmonic move. And I shared on 19th of April that the price line of Bitcoin is going to complete the final leg of the bullish shark move. And unfortunately, I did not share this at the YouTube, but I shared this move at the Patreon for my followers who are following me here. And you can see at that time, the price line of Bitcoin was just completing the final leg of this bullish harmonic shark move. And the price line was moving at $55,245. And this was the bullish reversal zone, the potential reversal zone. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line completed this final leg here on this candlestick and reversed bullish as predicted, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish reversal harmonic shark move. Now, at the same time, we can see that the EOS also completed this bullish reversal harmonic cipher pattern. Let me just show you the result of this idea as well. And you can see at that time, the price line was moving at $5.41 and just entered in this buying zone. Even it spiked at the end of this buying zone, and we had a very, very good support of 100 simple moving average as well. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line reversed bullish as predicted and followed the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher, and so far it has rallied up to $7.08. That is more than 30% rally so far. I'm expecting that this rally can lead the price line to hit at least $10, and then we can face any kind of correction. Let me just show you the live daily time frame chart, and this was the chart that I also shared in my previous video with you guys as well, that the price line is moving in this broadening formation. You can see that here the price line hit the support of this broadening formation, resistance, support, resistance. And here in my previous video, the price line was just hitting the support, and I told you that from here we can expect that the price line may move to the upside up to this resistance. And we can see that this resistance of this broadening formation is approximately at $10. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic indicator, the stochastic oscillator, that is moving very well with the price action. For example, here the price line reached the support of this broadening formation, and here at the same time the stochastic also reached the support. And here we can see the price line reached the support, the stochastic also visited the support. And whenever we are receiving the bull cross, whenever this blue line is crossing up this red line, this stochastic blue line is crossing up this red line of the stochastic, that is a buying signal. And whenever we are receiving that buying signal with the price action is at the support of this broadening formation, the price line is following the signal and starting the next bullish rally to the upside. And same thing happened again here. Recently we have seen that the stochastic was oversold, and it has just given us the bull cross here, and the price action has again followed the signal of the stochastic, and now it is likely to move to the upside. So far we are almost at the center of this broadening formation, and I'm expecting that we can expect at least a rally up to this resistance of this broadening formation, that is at $10. And now I want to show you this directional movement indicator. This is really very important indicator, and this blue line represents the bullish, the bulls, and this orange line represents the bears. Whenever this blue line crosses up this orange line, that is the bullish signal or buying signal. And whenever this orange line crosses up this blue line, and this blue line moves down, that is the sell signal. And this ADX shows the power of bears or bulls. For example, if we will have the blue line above the orange line, that is at that time the ADX is showing the power of bulls, and if the orange line is above the blue line, at that time it is showing the power of bears. At this time we can see, let me show you the stochastic as well. Whenever the stochastic is giving us the bull cross, price line is at the support. At the same time, after that, this ADX, this directional movement indicator, the positive directional index, this blue one, crosses up this orange line, that is a negative directional index. After that, we can see that the rally starts, and here we have observed this again. We received the bull cross here, the price line was at the support, and here we received this bull cross, and after that the price line here, that was more obvious bull cross, and the price action started the next bullish rally to the upside. And here we have already received the bull cross between this blue line and the red line of the stochastic. The price line has been bounced by the support of this broadening formation, but so far we did not receive any obvious bull cross by this directional movement index. So far we can see that previously it was in bear cross, we had this negative directional index above this positive directional index. Now they're moving sideways, the ADX is down, and once we will receive this bull cross, the blue line will cross up this red line, and you can see that the price action has been already bounced by this support. Then it can be more powerful rally than the previous one, because the price line has already started the bullish move, and now the ADX, this directional movement index, is going to give us the buying signal. And we can see that during the recent rally, after this drop, this recent rally, the price action first broke out this $6 resistance here. The price line for a while faced the resistance, moved down, and again moved up, and here the price line has found the next resistance at $7. That is already very strong resistance. We can see previously it was rejected by this resistance, and again it is likely to be rejected. And once this resistance will be broken out, then we can see that previously the price action found the resistance here at $8 when we had a very powerful strong bullish rally and a strong bullish candlestick. But the next bearish engulfing candlestick engulfed the previous bullish candlestick. That was a clear signal that we have found the resistance here, and from here the price line can move to the downside. So now I'm expecting, as the price line has broken out the next resistance, and already it has also broken out this 25 simple moving average daily as well, and we also have a complete formation of an open alligator mouth, like we have the smallest time period moving average 25 above all, and the 200 below all, that is the biggest time period moving average. And this is the formation of an open alligator mouth, very strong bullish signal by the simple moving averages. So we can expect that these moving averages will also provide the support to the price line to push the price action up to at least this resistance of this broadening formation, that is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.